Earn 8 up to $12 per hour by drawing boxes on photos. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn anywhere from 8 up to $12 per hour or even more by drawing boxes on photos. This is worldwide, it's free to sign up with, and we are talking about free PayPal money here. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here about this opportunity on how you can earn money by drawing boxes, make sure you pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information here. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can earn anywhere from 8 up to $12 or even more. I'm going to show you actually how you can earn even more here by simply drawing boxes and do some other simple tasks there. Let's get started. Alright, first off we have the site. It is spare5.com, so just type spare5 on Google and you can find it. But hang on here because I want to show you all the details here so you don't miss out on anything that is important for you to learn about this site here. So if I have a quick look here, you can see earn money in your spare time with our free web and mobile apps there. Alright, now if I have a quick look at what are the tasks like. We have a wide variety of tasks, but most of them focus on deriving the meaning of or providing human insight into audio, video or image files. So by having a quick look here at the first one, you can see the assessed language tell us about the tone, meaning, contents or attitude of a conversation or simply the contents of an audio file. And here we have the drawing boxes. So annotate images, you draw bounding boxes around various elements in an image and you describe what's where in a photo. So look at this here, cloud, you type in cloud, what you see here, you draw the next box, it is a mountain, for example like this. Here we have a lake, so it is really as simple as you can see it right here. Alright, the road, you just draw another box, and water, this is water, so you draw a box and you explain what it is. Then we have the isolate element section where you find the edges of an object to help computers to see what you see. And you can also provide keywords, okay? So you can help companies develop algorithms to learn what a photo is all about. So by typing a few keywords, so let's say for example here you see a woman, clouds, dog, mountain, hoodie, husky and watch. All of these keywords are tagged with this photo here. This is a testimonial, but we're going to have a look at this later on. I'm not going to play the video for you, but I do have some proof here and some payment proof about this site that it is a legit site. So who provides the tasks here? Now, we work with a variety of companies to help train their programs and algorithms to think and work better. Here are some of the companies we work with so far, and you can see that these are really big companies. We're talking about Pinterest, Microsoft, we have GoPro, TomTom, IBM, so definitely a lot of big companies that put trust on spare5.com. So if you're wondering how these companies use the data, you can see here the Spare5 works with great companies to apply your insights in areas like computer vision technology, instruct computers to recognize things in images and video, and we have the natural language understanding technology, which enables computers to recognize parts of speech, sentiment, and meaning. Okay. There are some community guidelines, terms of service and so on if you want to. There is a help section here also. So by having a quick look here, how does it work? and you can see if I open it up, there are definitely 21 articles. We can't go through all of these here. Okay, what are the tasks? Let's have a quick look at this. They have a limited and always changing number of tasks here, so it is a variety of tasks actually. First, be sure that you have taken all the available qualifiers, so we can make sure that you understand how to complete tasks. You should also try any quizzes that are available. Quizzes tests your skill on test your skills on our newest tasks and project and help you to be selected for this project. So don't miss out on this, because you will of course get more opportunities to make money with this site. So basically you can see that there is a lot of questions that is answered. The payout section, we can see here, we're going to have a look at it, but the minimum payout is about $1 actually, so you can be paid really fast here, and we are talking about PayPal money also. So I did my own research actually online here, and I found a few sites. This credit code here for frugalforless.com. You can see here the pros are minimum $1 to cash out, 100% free registration, you cash out via PayPal, so it means that you earn cash actually, and the earning rate is $8 up to $12 per hour, but you can also earn up to $20 per hour. All right, so the referral program, of course they do have that, so that is nice also. It's not a scam, it's a legit app, which is probably one of the most important things, so you get paid for what you are doing here. All right, now the cons, there are actually a few cons here, that there is no Android app available, only PayPal if you can't do any other option, and maximum of $20 to be earned through referrals here. Sometimes they don't have many tasks, and it goes actually for most of these kind of sites. They don't have tasks every single day, which means that you're probably not going to get rich, but you can do of course some extra money with this site here. All right, so let's have a look at something else here. Okay, I found this in from another site, wealthinflator.com. Credit goes here, and Spare5 is a web and mobile app that pays you to do simple game-like tasks online. So once again, a lot of tasks that you can apply for. Okay, it is available in 100 countries worldwide and 100% free to sign up with this site there. So if I just move on a little bit here, you can see that they do have 6 different categories: annotation, categorization, phone survey, research, writing, and rating. A lot of tasks. Of course you do need to qualify for this, and you can see here that most of the tasks are between 1 cent and 20 cents. Occasionally you may find jobs that pay you up to 50 cents also. And they do have the referral program that pays you $2 for every $10 that your referral makes. So that goes for another tier 2 program here also. Getting paid every Friday by 5 p.m. Pacific time, and minimum payout is $1, so you can make PayPal money really fast here. I move on to another site here. You can see I've been using Spare5 for about 3 weeks, 14 and 44, as you can see from the screenshot below, and it is between 90 minutes and 2 hours. So it pretty much tells us more or less the same amount as we had a look at earlier here. Okay, and here is another PayPal transaction from someone that got paid here. Extremely easy to use and with a very friendly community. Spare5 set out to be worthy alternative to Mturk, Clickworker, and so on. At this moment I'm earning around $5 to $6 every day with very simple tasks here, so why don't you join the fun too? And exactly as I said, it's a great way to get started to make some extra money with this site. Alright, all you have to do is type Spare5 on Google and you will arrive to this site here. Sign up for free, get started to earn anywhere from $8 up to $12 per hour for drawing boxes there. Now, as I said, you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.